Thank you for buying this W1043 key from FixtureDisplays. If you have purchased a donation box or suggestion box from FixtureDisplays before and you won't get another key, this is possibly the best way to do this. But before you make your purchase, you want to make sure you examine your key profile to ours, the key positions. If you are unsure, send us a picture to cs@fixturedisplays.com of your present key. If you lost your key, you can order a lock that comes with 2 keys. Once again, I cannot stress enough that you must examine your present key teeth position before you make your purchase. Thank you.